Something special came in the mail today. Oh, this is exciting. Smelling the aroma of stainless steel and aluminum pots and pans. Oh, this is gonna be good. Guys, Christmas came to my house early. So here's the story. I'm in Italy and a friend of mine is cooking and he's using this pan and it just looks beautiful. And it kind of reminded me of some other really high quality pans. And I'm like, geez, what is that pan? You know, where'd you get it? And he said, hey, it's a Sardell and they're made in Italy. And they're made in northern Italy where my family's from. So I'm like, man, I gotta get one of these. So in getting one of their pans, I'm like, oh my gosh, this stuff is great. I reached out to the company and I'm really honored to be an affiliate with probably one of the best or top quality pans you're ever going to use in the kitchen. This stuff is made in Italy, northern Italy, which the Boreal family is right from a small town, Cosioli di Asti, which is right near Milan. I can't wait to visit the foundry this summer. And this company is 3 generations deep. They've been making pans at the foundry for 100 years. And the quality of these pans rival any top quality pan you're going to see in the kitchen. All right, what do you say? Santa just left. Let's start opening presents. First, 10-inch skillet. Isn't that gorgeous? So I just want to show you the quality just of the boxing alone. And then I want to show you the pan. And I'll go through this pan first. So this is triple layer with stainless steel sandwich with aluminum. It's 2.6 millimeters, got a beautiful edge for no drip. Carry a hollow handle. Not only is it just beautiful to work with, but the handle stays cool and it cools off very, very quickly. You're going to see the double rivets. And what's beautiful about this pan that you'll see in the high quality pans is just the finish. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It just screams quality. The monogram S right there in the handle. Their name, laser etched, made in Italy. I mean, they gotta be good if they're made in Italy, right? I mean, who makes the best food in the world? Italians. So who wouldn't make the best cookware? Obviously Italians. Pan number 1, a 12-inch skillet. Just the weight of this tells you its quality. And it's really not the layers, it's the thickness of your pan that's gonna give you the best equal distribution of heat. Again, the rivets, the monogram, the hollow handle. What's great about this is the handles, they're just beautiful and comfortable to grip. Gorgeous. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Joe, I wanna get some, I wanna get some. Well, listen, I'm an affiliate, so you're just gonna hit the description below. It'll give you the link, or you can message me just below and I'll send you the link where to go to grab these. Not only is it great pricing with a discount, you'll also get free shipping with anything over $50, and they also have a 0 cost return policy. How great is that? Now I'm thinking saute. Beautiful lid. I'll tell you what's great on a saute pan is that helper handle, and I love that. They have the monogram S here and on the handle here. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, we're gonna be making something real special on this next week. Thinking we need a pan to make some, I don't know, some sauces. Oh yeah, beautiful. Guys, these are so beautiful, I don't even wanna cook in them. I just wanna put them in the kitchen. It's like a Ferrari in the kitchen, isn't it gorgeous? Tell you what, ready? Oh, I smell something delicious. I'm thinking I might need a smaller saucepan. Again, gorgeous lid. No, it's not a mid-engine, but it definitely has 500 horsepower. You guys with me on that? Like, you don't even wanna cook in it. It's so beautiful. Now, no kitchen set without at least an 8-quart stock pot, don't you think? Gorgeous. Again, the lid screams quality. Isn't that just beautiful? So what am I making in there? I'm gonna make a stock in there. I'm gonna make a sauce in there. I'm gonna boil water, make pasta in there. I love that brush finish of the stainless steel that they all have, and that high polished stainless on the outside, aluminum core. One of my favorite features of these pots are these handles, these helper handles. See how nice and large they are? So they're big, they come out, and they're nice, soft, round. They got that little angle. They're so easy to grip because the pot itself has some weight to it, but what you're also gonna get is you fill that up with 8 quarts or whatever. You're gonna wanna have some good handles to hold it. Love that monogram S. How do you bring a smile to my face? Certainly being around family, number 1. 2, make it something delicious. And number 3, having some good high quality cookware, pots and pans in the kitchen. And I'll share with you, making something Italian in a pan that's constructed in Italy. Such a great marriage between what you wanna make in the kitchen, certainly, and what you wanna cook it in. Now this is just a sample of a lot of pots and pans that Sardell has. So I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, I would love to get my hands on these for our kitchen. Maybe 1 pan, maybe 1 pot, maybe a whole set. Great pricing, discounts, free shipping over anything $50 or more. Just click the link below of my affiliate link. It'll bring you right to my page, or message me directly and I'll send you the direct link. So what are we making in the kitchen? I don't know. The possibilities are endless. Where are we going? Certainly our next recipe will be to northern Italy, to the Sardell foundry. Guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today. Until next week, mwah, buon appetito.